This is our fifth anti-snore product. The main components are main control unit, instruction manual, charging base, and 10 conductive strips. The conductive strip is disposable, with one-piece plate. Press switch button for 3 seconds to turn on, and the device will work automatically to detect snoring sound. The device will emit 10 to 60 Hz macro impulse to change nerves from weak to strong after detecting snoring sound. With this physical intervention to users to help reduce or stop snoring. The next morning, just tear off conductive strip and recharge the device. Users can download our app, Snore Circle, which is free to users, and check the data about snoring, anti-snoring, and the sleeping quality.